everyone. In this video I will share about how to add pagination and custom component of Joomla 5. So when there are many data in our component, we should add pagination so that the user can go to other pages and see other data. So we have to add pagination to go to other pages. We should add the pagination after this table, below the table. So let's go to our code file and add pagination. In Joomla 5 it is very easy to add pagination. We have to write only 2 lines of code to add pagination, 2-3 lines of code only. So this is the table, my table, that I show this data. After the table I have to add pagination. So to add the pagination, first we have to call the pagination in view.html.php file. The view.html.php file related to this page, related to this view. So here we have to call the pagination. We don't need to write anything in model or controller to use pagination. Only in this view.html.php file and the default.php file or the file related to this file. We have to write only in these 2 files. So first I will give as protected pagination, and I call the pagination this pagination equal get pagination. Now we have called the pagination and add the pagination codes. Now we can use this in our view file. It is very easy. We have to write only in this 2 file and only 2-3 lines of code in this table. After the table I will add pagination as this pagination. I am calling the pagination from this page, pagination, and get list footer. After that close the PHP tag and save the file and refresh it. Have to log in again. There is no pagination showing, pagination not showing, because I think here there I give the value of 20, so it is not showing because the data are not over 20. So if I change to 5, now you can see the pagination here. So since the data are not more than 20, it fits in 3 pages. I think the data are only 15. Yes, less than 15. So it fits in only 1 page, so it not show pagination. If I change to 5, it show 3 pages because it is less than 15 data. If I click on the next page, it reached the next page. Now So the data is 5 in the first page, 5 in the 5 in the second page, and here 3 in the third page. That means there are 13 data in my case. Now we have successfully created pagination. If I change to 10, it will show in 2 pages. Now we have successfully created pagination. It's very easy to add pagination in custom component. First we have to call the pagination when these codes, and call the pagination in our HTML file. Like this we can add pagination. We don't need to write many codes, many things to create this pagination. It is very easy to add. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention.